Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, do well to click on that subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we will be expecting for the day on our gold. So this is a very clear movement, which is a bullish move. If you had watched the prediction we did for the weekly time frame, for the weekly analysis on our gold, we told you clearly that gold will give us a bullish move for the week. And you can see on Monday, gold opened and closed bullish. This is on Tuesday, whereby market is giving us a bearish move. This bearish move is just a pullback phase, right? Once the pullback phase plays out finish, we will be expecting another bullish move that will eventually push us to take out the side. So guys, we are still anticipating for a movement to the upside on our gold. So if you are a swing trader or you are a position trader or probably you're a day trader, right? You will be looking for your buy setup. So guys, we are still anticipating for a bullish move on our gold. Now take a look at it on your 4-hour time frame. So this is a multiple rejection at this level here zone. So we should be expecting gold for the day to give us some more push up. At least it should come to tap this resistance level on our 4-hour time frame. As you can see on this 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is the first resistance and then this is our support. Market eventually came to test our second resistance and now it has dropped to our support level. So now that market has dropped to our support level, we should be expecting market to push up again to tap our resistance level. So let's see it push up to tap a level of 4630, 4630. So if gold can hit that level, I'll give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next on gold. So click on that subscribe button in order for you not to miss out on any updates.